peer group and you studied with your friends, you told us?
I never studied with my friends. I mean, I studied on my own. Whatever doubts we used to have, we used to share it amongst ourselves. And make it a point that you're true within your group. You tell them each and everything that you are studying, and hopefully they'll tell you each and everything that they're studying. Then you can categorize and say, this is really helpful, this is not so helpful, maybe we should study this, maybe we should not study that. That is what helps and that is what is important.
How should we tackle the problem of nervousness? Because on the day of the test, we are very nervous because our whole career depends on that single test.
If you think on those lines, then you'll always be nervous. Just say that, क्या फर्क पड़ता है यार, एक टेस्ट ही तो है ना ultimately. I mean, my parents used to tell me that even if I mess up my IIT real bad, still that is just one avenue of life that is gone, and it is not the end of your life as such. There are countless other avenues which are even way better than IIT. So don't think on those lines. Think that the test is good, it is challenging, and it is actually a challenge for you to get through the test. If you think on those lines, then you'll be able to get through it easily. But I'd seriously recommend that you give a number of tests before you give the final test. That you'll obviously do in the form of your oriented test series and all. And on the final day, you would not be faced with as much nervousness as you are on the test that you're giving right now. So I think it's more of practice and control over yourself. I mean, devote your time. I mean, Abhinav might be knowing that people who qualified for the Maths Olympiad, except this guy is crazy, but everybody else who's qualified for the Maths Olympiad is generally not got a good rank in IIT-JEE. Only very few exceptions, like Raghu qualified for the Physics Olympiad and even won a gold medal and got the first rank. Only very few exceptions are there. Abhinav is one such exception. So, you have to make a specific timetable and devote, let's say, 3 hours every week for Olympiad preparation, if that's the point. So if you want to know about books, you can always get in touch with any of us.